Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming System Restore is actually enabled on C, and that there's enough allocation. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell. First run sfc/scano to fix corrupt system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. While those run, stop the Volume Shadow Copy Service and the Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider Service. This prevents locked files from blocking snapshots. After both utilities finish and services are stopped, move to the next step to reset shadow components. Now you reset the Volume Shadow Copy components to remove stale state. Start by running vsadminlist writers and vsadminlist shadows to note any errors. If writers show errors, stop VSS and SWPRV with netstop VSS and netstop SWPRV. Rename the catroot2 and software distribution folders to force repair. Then re-register the VSS-related DLLs using regsver32 commands for each listed DLL. Once re-registered, restart the services and reboot the PC so the fresh VS. Finish by creating a fresh restore point. Open System Properties, System Protection, and click Create. You should see a success message. Once created, run rstrui. exe to simulate a restore and watch Event Viewer under Windows Logs application and system for any VSS or system restore errors. That log reveals remaining causes. If problems persist, perform an in-place repair install of Windows to replace broken components, and also run chkdsk on the disk to rule out hardware corruption. This usually resolves stubborn restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.